Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a plane figure similar to a given figure but half its area. Now you can see this is a given figure A, B, C, D. I'm looking to draw a plane figure that is half the area of this figure. All you need to do is you need to bisect the base AB and draw a semicircle on it. So I'll bisect the base AB. This here we have the base AB. So I'll bisect it here. So here we go. So I'll bisect base AB now. This is the bisector. Then the next thing to do is to draw a semicircle on base AB. So I'll draw a semicircle. You can draw it above or below, but you should draw it below so that it won't interfere with the line of your drawing. Now, when you've drawn your semicircle, all you need to do is the bisector we call the semicircle at E. So now this at E, this is the point where it calls the semicircle. This is our point E. So the next step is we center A and radius AE. Draw an arc to cut AB at F. So we center A and radius AE. So we have this E open to E. I draw an arc to cut AB at F. So I'll draw an arc, and this arc cut AB at a new point called F. Now with this point, we are going to draw AC. Now this AC cut AB at F. Draw AC, draw FG parallel to BC and GH. So basically, we are going to be drawing lines parallel to each of the sides. So let's draw AC, a line connecting A to C. So here we go, this line. Then we're going to draw lines parallel to each of the sides of the square. So starting from F. So I'll be drawing a line parallel to this side from F. So using the set square, drawing a line passing through F. So you can see it's at F now. So I'll draw a line. So where it meets that AC, it will be my new diagonal, my new vertex for the reduced shape. So I'll also reduce this side here. So I'm drawing a line parallel to it to pass through that point. There we have. So here we have the new point. You need to draw your line. So good. So and then finally you need to thicken your shape. So this will be the new shape. So let's thicken the sides. So I have these are the thickened sides. This is AFGH. So now this AFGH is half the area of ABCD. Thanks for watching.